सारी बिगड़ी बनी गसनी गल्ला उसनिया बाणिया सारी बिगड़ी बनी गसनी गल्ला उसनिया बाणिया सारी बिगड़ी बनी गसनी गल्ला उसनिया बाणिया तायो रहमत ए बसनी गल्ला उसनिया बाणिया तायो रहमत ए बसनी गल्ला उसनिया बाणिया ओ खवेला जदू असना forgive me man I'm not Amirpuri ओ खवेले जदू असना नारा सोने दा लाई किनिया ओ खवेला जदू असना नारा सोने दा लाई किनिया मेरे अपरू बला नसनी गल्ला उसनिया बाणिया बाणिया मेरे अपरू बला नसनी गल्ला उसनिया बाणिया हम दुनिया दे दूर होए खुशियां दी बहार आई हुण जिंदगी बई हसनी गल्ला उसनिया बाणिया हुण जिंदगी बई हसनी गल्ला उसनिया बाणिया सारी बिगड़ी बड़ी गसनी गल्ला उसनिया बाणिया तायो रहमत वसनी गल्ला उसनिया बाणिया गल्ला उसनिया बाणिया MashaAllah, for a very long time. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, mashallah. The beautiful brother D, mashallah, who you
the
guys
beloved
have
brother
been,
Prince Naseeb, man.
Alhamdulillah, you know what, it's been such a long time. You guys have been messaging us, but you know, to be honest, we just hadn't had the opportunity. And alhamdulillah, you know, like I said, whenever we meet each other, we show each other with so much love, because we've got that love for each other. Allah bless brother D, mashallah, the work that he's doing is a fantastic work that he's doing. And you know, I thought we'll do something different. I don't think you guys heard this kalam before. We thought we'll do something different for you guys. And what the amazing thing is, and one he needs a reward for this, is my man does not even know how to speak Mirpuri, bro, and he just dropped on Mirpuri kalam, mashallah.
Seriously, brother, I still don't even know what I read, you know. I still don't know what I read, but you know what?
It's the praises of the Prophet.
Praises of the Prophet, and ultimately, I'm really happy to be with my brother Prince again, man. It's been a long time, alhamdulillah. This brother is beautiful inside and out. His personality is amazing, alhamdulillah. You know, it's been a long time, but you know, I've actually missed this whole scene, you know.
This is where it started off. Remember, this is the same video back in 2008, was it?
8, yeah.
8, and alhamdulillah, same video, same pose, obviously different car, but alhamdulillah, love was still the same, the brothers were still the same, alhamdulillah, kalams were different, but alhamdulillah, you know what, the jazba, the passion is still here, and it's going to continue, inshallah. Well guys, thank you very much for listening, thank you very much for putting up with us, and please remember us in your du'as, inshallah. Remember myself and Brother Dear, remember the ummah of the Prophet ﷺ, and remember the people that are suffering throughout the whole entire world. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ease everyone's suffering. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless Brother D with his work that he's doing, mashallah. And please, like I said, once again, remember us in your beautiful du'as.
And be nice, yeah, and share this video, yeah?
Oh, and then.
Assalamu alaikum.